Buenas tardes, empiezo con el video de la actividad número 5. Empiezo con mi presentación. My presentation. What is your name? My name is Sandra Liliana Lozano. How old are you? I am 40 years old. Where are you from? I am from País. Where do you do? I live in País. What do you do? I study environmental engineering. Who do you live with? I live with my husband. What do you like to do? I like to work and listen to music. What is your favorite music? My favorite music is romantic. Has holiday weekend. The past Friday was to Miraflores, Boyacá. Reúneme the weekend 3 days in a fair cafetera that there was in this place accompanied of my mother. I like me because it was cheap, paid 5,000 weights by half bar of masato with flour do coffee. Like me because there was a lot of preparativos derivados of the coffee. Buy different pasabocas and desserts and like me a lot. We rode us to the 3 days because it had to do the Tuesday. Description of the clan weather in Miraflores. The climate in Miraflores is varied in rains and heat. It is recommended that people wear parasols and sunblock. Unit 1.2 Practice 5. We should fly off to California in summertime. We should find about clothes to go to California. You should hurry up with the money to buy a rifle. We should not carry a lot of baggage on the plane. You should not carry luggage at hand. We should not go by bus to the Porsche. Gracias.